Hello, I've got an unboxing today for you. Let me lift this up a little bit. Okay. Of the biggest power bank I've ever reviewed, owned, bought, whatever. This is from Zendure. On Amazon right now, this is $99.99, and it's probably well worth it, I'm sure. I mean, with this thing, you can actually charge a 12-inch MacBook. That's how big it is. It's the A8PD external battery, 3rd gen with USB-C power delivery. It's a 26,800 mAh battery. You can charge like a Galaxy S9 7 times with it. Actually, you can charge a 12-inch MacBook, the new MacBook, 1.7 times, an iPhone X 7.3 times, a Nintendo Switch 4 times. It's powerful. I mean, this thing will give you more than enough power for virtually anything here. Got lots of specs on the back here. 26,800, of course. It's 30 watt max output there, which is, amazing. The output is actually 40 watts maximum. Input charging about 5 hours, or 14 hours if you're using like a regular USB. But whatever. Over 500 full charge discharge. It is it's big. It's 17 ounces. Has USB-C, and for standard USB ports are 2.4 amp and 4.8 amp. So they're pretty strong here. The box is nice here. Open it up, and of course we have our little window that shows the power bank. I mean, you can see how big this box is. I thought it was mostly packing, but it's actually the battery. This just arrived. UPS just dropped it off not long ago, and I cut the tape. And okay, thought I cut the tape. Yep, there it is, open. Let's try that one. It says open. Okay. There it is there. This is the actual power bank. There it is there. Yes, 26,800 mAh here. Now, this is an 11,000. I thought this was big. I mean, this is hefty itself here, but it's a huge difference there, obviously. Let's check this out here real quick. Let's see what else is in here. Underneath, we have a warranty, customer care card, product information guide, USB-C PD power delivery guide, and some neat little stickers for you. Little fan stickers, whatever. Carrying pouch for it. I mean, even as is, it feels very rugged. Open. Okay. So they have little opens on there for you. That's it. It's a standard USB to USB-C cable. And a little zip bag. Oh, wait, it looks like let me open it then. It's nice, braided cable, actually. But, oh, okay, it's USB-C, USB-C, but it has a built-in adapter for you that goes to regular USB. So you can use it for both of the ports that I'm going to show you in a second here. Again, it's very well made. It feels rugged. It feels durable. It's heavy, I'll tell you that much. But we have a little button there. We have the Zendure logo, of course. Up here, oops, this way. On the back here, we have our 4 ports, standard USB ports, and then a USB-C. If we push the button, there we go. We have our LED display, which tells you the capacity, and apparently it arrived to me charged, as you can tell here. But basic specs on the bottom here. It's a big product, $99, $99.99 on Amazon. The listing is the 5-port output PD portable charger, Zendure A8PD 26800 mAh PD external battery pack with LED digital display, 30 watt power delivery power bank for iPhone X, Nintendo Switch, Samsung S9, and more. Silver. This is the silver color. You can also get it in black as well. And apparently, according to what this says, is the accurate LED readout. It's an exact how much capacity remains. So there. Anyway, 4 USB ports there, a USB-C port. I do have Samsung Galaxy S9, so I have, you know, USB-C, but then I have a lot of other stuff as well that use USB. I find these are very handy, and something this big is just like amazing. I mean, you can get days out of this. You could take this like on a week-long trip, I'm sure, and not have to worry about it. I mean, supposedly it'll charge my S9 7 times, which, you know, once a day for a week, basically. I think that's amazing, really. Again, here's an 11,000, and here's a, you know, 26800, basically 27,000 mAh battery there, and it's amazing. I know I've said that many times, but it is really, for the size, what it can do. Extremely durable composite material is what it's made of, supposedly super efficient. Premium internal battery cells. Let's see else, if I can find any other little specs there for you. Nothing really stands out in this listing here. But that's it there. Zendure, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Zendure, 26,800 mAh battery pack, which can pretty much charge everything in your life, I would think, for a week or so. This thing would be great for trips and camping and stuff like that. I mean, many uses for this, I'm sure. I have a lot of USB rechargeable stuff because I like it. So I'll be testing this out quite a bit. Link to the review will be down below in the description once it's up and posted. Thank you very much.